So, very good morning to all of you. I hope you all can see the screen which has been shared. Today we are going to do the exercises of chapter. Okay, that is more about Scratch. Exercises are given on page number 76. So everyone has to sit with book and pencil in your hands. So I request each one of you to bring your book and pencil along. If you're not sitting with your book, I give you 2 minutes to bring your book and pencil to the table quickly. Each one of you, I told you to write your name in the chat box, but I have not received your names. I think you did not write your names in the chat box. Just name, don't write is present and all, just write your name in the chat box. So we will begin now, right? Page number 76. Okay, now we will begin with, first question is what? Fill in the blanks. So this is first question on your screen. First question, first blank is there on your screen. Now you need to raise hand if you know the answer, and answer is to be given in the chat box. Okay. You need to raise your hands if you know the answer. So first question is, the dash button decreases the size of the sprite. Now I'm waiting for you to raise your hands. If you are raising your hand, if you know the answer, raise your hand and then I will unmute the child to answer. Okay. Vedhi, unmute yourself. Vedhi, you can unmute yourself.
मैम गलती से हैंड रेज हो गया था.
Okay. So mute yourself. Rupakshi Mahajan, unmute yourself since you're raising hand. Rupakshi Mahajan, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rupakshi, what is the answer? The dash button decreases the size of the sprite.
The sprite list.
No. Shabana Akhtar, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, horizontal button.
No. Wrong. Lower your hand.
Okay, ma'am.
Ashvika. Yes, Ashvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Pardon?
Ma'am, shrink.
Shrink. Yes. So,
Yeah.
yes, it is shrink. So, right answer is shrink. Okay. Write down shrink in the first blank. And those who have answered, kindly lower your hand and mute yourself. Ashvika, lower hand and mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, next question is to Vandita. Vandita, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
And now, here is the question. These are the options. Wait. Question is, dash block instructions are used to draw a trail as the sprite moves on the stage. Hints are given in your book.
Pen.
Very good. So,
Ma'am, pen.
correct answer is pen. Okay. So, this is the correct answer. Pen is the right answer. Write pen in second blank. Vandita, lower your hand. I will not give instructions again and again. Once your turn is over, you have to lower your hand and mute yourself. Next question is to Harmanjot. Harmanjot, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is question for you. Dash is the place where we pick and drop the blocks to create a script. Dash is the place where we pick and drop the blocks to create a script. What
Split
has...
list.
Pardon? No.
Ma'am,
No. No. Harmanjot, answer.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, answer. What has to be the answer?
Script list.
No, darling. Script list.
Horizontal.
No. Script list is no option. Where are you reading? Where is the script list option? Read it thoroughly. What is written there? Read nicely. What is written in the hints? Dash is the place where we pick and drop the blocks to create a script.
Script area.
Yes, script area is the correct answer. So third blank is script area. Script area is the correct answer. All right, each one of you mark in your book and write in the blank. Next, Harmanjot, you mute yourself now. Very good. Next, Tashneek, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Tashneek, question for you. Dash displays the thumbnails of all the sprites used in a project. Dash displays the...
Right.
Pardon? Say, come up with the answer again.
Ma'am, sprite list.
Very good. So answer is sprite list. Okay, this is the answer. Fourth blank is sprite list. Next question is for Shanaya. Shanaya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Shanaya, this is question for you. Dash value of x coordinate determines the dash location of the sprite, and the value of y coordinate determines the dash location or height. Yes, what has to be in the first blank?
Ma'am, vertical.
First blank is vertical. Vertical is the location of the sprite on x coordinate. Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Shanaya?
Yes, ma'am.
No. First, see, location on x-axis is always horizontal, right? It is horizontal location. When you draw a graph, you might have seen a graph. Graph पे जो आपकी x-axis होती है, that is always horizontal. Horizontal जो होती है, that is x-axis, और जो vertical होता है, that is your y-axis. तो first blank has to be horizontal and second blank has to be vertical. All right. So first is horizontal and second blank is vertical. I hope everybody has written. Next, Shagundeep Kaur will unmute.
And
Yes, Shagun, question for you. We cannot change the name of the sprite. You are given two options, true or false. Is it true or false?
false.
Very good. It is false. So everybody mark the answer. It is false answer. Gagandeep Kaur, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Gagandeep, question for you. Stage is the main working area where the sprite moves and performs actions. Stage is the main working
True.
area. Yes, this one is true. Very good.
True.
So all of you mark this answer as true. Next is Mahipreet. Mahapreet or Mahipreet, I don't know. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, question for you, Mahapreet. If the pen shade is 0, then the pen color will be closer to white. True or false?
Ma'am, false.
False, because 0 is the darkest shade. So this is false, right? 0 is the darkest shade. So this one is false.
Okay, ma'am.
Ashvika, Gurleen, Mehpreet and Rupakshi, kindly lower your hands now. Since your turns are over, you don't need to raise your hands again and again. I have to ask to the entire class, right? Now, Hitakshi Hans. Hitakshi Hans, unmute yourself. Hitakshi, unmute yourself. Hitakshi, question for you. The scratch stage is 480 pixels wide and 360 pixels high. The scratch stage is 480 pixels wide and 360 pixels high. Is it true or false? Come on, be quick. Is it true, Hitakshi, or it is false? Guess. Hitakshi, why did you mute yourself? Gagandeep, you answer.
Ma'am, false.
No, it is not false. It is true. Scratch stage is 480 pixels wide and 360 pixels high. This is true. Okay. So everyone mark this answer as true. Devika. Devika Jasrotia. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Devika, this is for you. View full screen button is present on the top right corner of the stage. View full screen. This is false.
False.
Yes, very good. So each one of you mark this answer as false. Very good. Now let me ask to Yogyata. Yogyata, unmute yourself. Yogyata, unmute yourself. Yogyata, unmute yourself quickly. Very bad. She's not listening at all. She's not unmuting. Vaidehi, Vaidehi, you unmute yourself. Vaidehi Pikhin, unmute yourself. Yes. Question for you. Paint editor window allows us to create a new sprite on the stage. True or false? Paint editor window allows us to create a new sprite on the stage. True or false?
True.
True. Very good. So this one is also true. I hope everybody marked all the true false, right? Now next we have application based questions. Okay, first question is Kritika is creating a project in Scratch and she wants to create a new sprite in her project. Suggest her the method to do the same. Okay, now what she has to do, she has to create a new sprite. She has to create a new sprite, and you know there are different ways to create a sprite. How? Actually, we have 4 ways to insert a new sprite, but if you want to create means you want to draw, right? So if you want to create a new sprite, she has to paint it in the paint window. So this is the answer. You can take a screenshot. Otherwise, I will be sharing on the Snap homework also. So if you want, you can take a screenshot of this answer.
Ma'am, it is not coming clear. There is coming high.
Nothing is coming. I can see the screen. Clearly, it is displayed on the screen.
And now it is coming clear.
Yes, Bhavik, what happened? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Yes,
in the true false, can you tell the third one answer?
third one is false.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, so did you take the screenshot? Otherwise, I will be sharing this answer in the
Yes.
Snap homework. You can copy from there. All right. Next is Rahul loves to play guitar. While working on his Scratch project, he wants to play the sound of a guitar. Help him by suggesting the appropriate block to do the same. In a previous class, we worked with the music. We worked with how do we insert sound. So you were told that there is a sound block. In that sound block, you can have 21 different instrumental music. Instrumental music is there. 21 different musics are there. You can make use of any music. There are 21 different instruments which can be added for the sounds. So this is the answer. Rahul can add music to his Scratch project by using the set instrument block. Set instrument 2 block we have worked with. पिछली क्लास में हमने इस ब्लॉक के साथ काम किया था ना, set instrument 2, and then we played a music and then we made that sprite to dance and all. We did that. If you had attended the class, I hope you remember that we worked with these instruments. तो इट इज अवेलेबल इन साउंड ब्लॉक. साउंड ब्लॉक में आता है ये. उसमें आपको एक ब्लॉक मिलता है सेट इंस्ट्रूमेंट 2. आप उस इंस्ट्रूमेंट को चूज करके देन देयर इज अ नंबर, यू कैन चेंज द नंबर एंड यू कैन प्ले different instrumental musics. So better you take a screenshot if you wish, otherwise you need to look for the answer in the Snap homework. So next we have multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions again. It's your turn. You will have to tell me the answers. So you are free to raise your hands now. Right? This is the first multiple choice question. See, I told you those who have already answered, kindly do not raise your hands because let others also get a chance. So all those who have answered, please lower your hands. Please. Let everybody feel part of the class. Annam Rahman, unmute yourself. Anam Rahman, unmute yourself. Yes, Anam. Read the question. What is the question which is displayed on the screen?
Name the box that displays a short description of a block when you click.
Yes. What has to be the answer? You are given 3 options there. First option is help. Second option is sprite info. And third one is info. What do you think is the correct answer? Yes. Which box? Yes.
Info.
Info. No, darling. It is help. Okay. So correct answer is help. First multiple choice question. Correct answer is help. All right. I hope everybody marked. Ananya, unmute yourself. Ananya, can you unmute yourself? Ananya from 4th A, I'm asking you to unmute yourself. Very bad. Very bad. That means they are not attending the class. They are simply joining the class and then they do not sit for the class. It's very bad. Ananya, kindly put on your video. I want to see your face. Ananya from 4th A, can you put on your video? No, she's not there at all. Very nice. Avreet Kaur, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Avreet, read this question. This is for you. Read the question. Avreet, can you see the screen? Can you read the question?
Yes, I'm able to see the screen, but I'm not able to see. Yes, ma'am, I am the price instruction given to apply is
Yes, what is the question written? The collection of stepwise instructions given to a sprite is known as blocks, script, stage. What according to you is the correct answer? You are not, you're in, you write the answer in the chat box since you are not audible. You are not audible, so write the answer in the chat box. Vivek Deep is giving me block. Block is the wrong answer. Yes. Avreet Kaur Wazir is giving me script. That is the correct answer. So script is the correct answer. Second MCQ. Second answer is script. Now this is third question, which is displayed on your screen. Third question is, dash button increases the size of the sprite. Yes, I'm waiting. I will tell you who has to write the answer. Avni Sharma, give me the answer in the chat box. Only Avni Sharma will give the answer. Avni Sharma, tell me what has to be the answer.
shrink.
Avni Sharma, unmute yourself. Why Ashvika is giving me the answer, I don't know. Ashvika Gupta, Avni Sharma, you are writing shrink. Shrink is not the correct answer. Dash button increases the size. Increases का मतलब होता है स्प्राइट का साइज बड़ा हो रहा है, तो श्रिंक से बड़ा थोड़ी होता है साइज, श्रिंक से तो छोटा हो जाता है. So what has to be the answer? Grow is the correct answer. Okay, so grow is the correct answer for the third multiple choice question. Next, this is the question. Next, that is fourth multiple choice question is displayed on your screen. And let me, Hitakshi Hans, unmute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Hitakshi.
मैम मेरे छोटे ब्रदर की क्लास है अभी.
So that is up to you. You can leave the class and go. I can't help it, no?
Okay, sir. Okay, ma'am.
So this is the question which is being displayed on the screen. So who will give me the answer? If you know the answer, Shabana Akhtar, unmute yourself. Shabana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shabana. What is the answer?
242 to the value of y coordinate of stage ranges from.
Yes. Ranges from. What has to be the answer?
Ma'am, third one.
No, it is second one. See, y coordinate जो है that is vertical ना, तो आपकी जो स्क्रीन होती है, लैपटॉप की जो स्क्रीन होती है या आपकी स्टेज की जो स्क्रीन होती है, उसकी हाइट हमेशा कम होती है और उसकी लेंथ ज्यादा होती है. यू माइट हैव नोटिस्ड, जो आपकी स्टेज होती है उसकी लेंथ हमेशा ज्यादा रहती है जबकि उसकी हाइट जो है वो कम होती है. तो 182 minus 180 has to be the answer. All right. So this is the correct answer. B part is the correct answer. This is next question. It is for Harnoor Kaur. Harnoor Kaur, unmute yourself. Harnoor Kaur, unmute yourself. Harnoor Kaur, are you there?
Hello, Archie. Hello.
Hello.
Namaste.
Gantavya, see, they simply raise their hands and after that they do not answer. Gantavya, please unmute yourself.
Okay. Thank you.
Gantavya, unmute yourself. Gantavya, you have switched on your video, whereas I want you to unmute yourself so that I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Gantavya. Read the question.
The record on our own sound in a project. We need a dash
Yes.
attached to our computer system.
Yes.
Ma'am, microphone.
Very good. So microphone is the correct answer. Very nice. I hope everybody has marked the correct answer. This is next question and it is for, wait, let me tell you. Anandika Sangotra. Anandika Sangotra, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the question, darling.
There are dash different instruments to choose from a sound block.
Yes. How many different instruments are there in the sound block? Just now I spoke about these and in the previous class also when we were doing,
Ma'am, 20.
no, it is not 20, it is 21. So 21 is the correct answer. All
Ma'am,
of you,
please send the bookwork.
so mark 21. Next question is displayed on your screen and this is for Mehreen. Mehreen, can you unmute yourself? Mehreen Chaudhary, can you unmute yourself? No. Manvi Sharma, unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Who's there now?
ma'am,
Say no. What, ma'am? Say.
name the block that makes the sprite display
Sprit
from
nahi.
the
It
stage.
is not sprit. It
Ma'am,
is sprite. That makes the
sprite
sprite.
disappear from the
Despair.
stage.
अरे despair क्या होता है? Disappear. It is disappear, not despair. Name the block that makes the sprite disappear from the stage. Yes. Which block?
Ma'am, the answer is remove.
No. You have to.
Ma'am,
Huh? Yes.
hide.
Hide. Hide is the correct answer because you have to make that sprite disappear from the stage. उसको गायब करना है, उसको छुपाना है स्टेज से. ठीक है? हाइड करना है तो हाइड इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ऑल राइट.
Ma'am,
यस.
मैम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या है? मैम मेरी क्लास डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई तो मैम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या है?
Wait, I'll tell you what is the answer. Wait. Okay. Now, since we are over with multiple choice questions, now we are left with answer the following questions. I will tell you where to mark. Kindly mark quickly. Fine. First question is, what is Scratch and explain the main features of Scratch. Open page number 75. Page number 75. Okay. Recap of the chapter is given there. First point, that is Scratch is a free programming language designed for children to enhance their computing skills. Did you get this? पेज नंबर 75 पे बॉटम ऑफ द पेज पे रीकैप लिखा है. रीकैप में जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है ये लिखोगे आप एज आंसर. मार्क इट एज आंसर नंबर 1. मार्क इट क्विकली एज आंसर नंबर 1. मार्क्ड. एंड देन एडिशन टू दिस इसके फीचर्स पूछे आपसे. फीचर्स आर गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 67. सो टर्न योर बुक, go to page number 67. Now each one of you have to mark the answers because I'm not going to send these answers in the snap homework. I'm telling you in advance, I will not send any answer in the snap homework. You will have to mark in the live class only. Features are given on page number 67. 67 पेज पे आ जाओ. वहां देखो ब्लू कलर से हेडिंग लिखा है फीचर्स ऑफ स्क्रैच. फीचर्स ऑफ स्क्रैच. Did you get the heading?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All those who have kept their videos on can shake their heads so that I can see. Features of Scratch. वहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 features are given. ठीक है? 5 features are given. You can write these 5 features. Mark these 5 features. This is also answer number 1. तो आंसर नंबर 1 के लिए पहले वो एक लाइन जो रिकैप से है वो लिखोगे. व्हाट इज स्क्रैच एंड देन दीज आर द फीचर्स. आई होप यू मार्क्ड. No? Okay. Second question is, what does the scratch info pane display? What does the scratch info pane display? This answer is given on page number 68. Move to page number 68. ओके. पेज नंबर 68 पे देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 हेडिंग देखो. लुक एट हेडिंग नंबर 6. रेड कलर से हेडिंग्स दिए हैं. जो 6th नंबर पे हेडिंग दिया है दैट इज स्प्राइट इन्फो पेन. डिड यू गेट द हेडिंग? ओके. अब वहां वेरी गुड. ये आपको लिखना है स्प्राइट इन्फो पेन से लेके मैनिपुलेटिंग द स्प्राइट. ठीक है? थर्ड लाइन में लिखा है. उसकी थर्ड लाइन में लिखा है मैनिपुलेटिंग द स्प्राइट. यहां तक लिखना है. ओके. आई एम रीडिंग द आंसर फॉर यू. क्लिक ऑन द डैश आइकन. जो आई वाला आइकन है प्रेजेंट ऑन द टॉप लेफ्ट कॉर्नर ऑफ अ स्प्राइट थंबनेल टू डिस्प्ले द स्प्राइट इन्फो पेन. It includes information about the selected sprite as well as a few tools for manipulating the sprite. This is answer number 2. I hope you marked the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Third question is, what do you understand by backdrop? What do you understand by backdrop? तो backdrop क्या होता है? Backdrop is, let me share. Okay, I will write the answer here and you copy. In Scratch 2.0, the picture on the stage is called backdrop. Okay, I hope you can see. In Scratch 2, the picture on the stage is called backdrop. Did you write the answer? Did you copy the answer? Okay, I've increased the size so that you can see it clearly. In Scratch 2, the picture on the stage is called backdrop. Written? You can take a screenshot if you wish, or you can write. Next question is, what is the purpose of the script area? Answer is given on page number 68. Page number 68, purpose of script area. Sorry, page number 60, yeah, page number 68. Did you open? जहाँ पे हमने अभी आंसर नंबर 2 मार्क किया है, above that script area heading is given. That is heading number 5, script area. Did you get the heading?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in that heading you skip first sentence and move to the second sentence. What is the second sentence? Second sentence is script area is the place where we pick and drop the blocks to create a script. Script area is the place where we pick and drop the blocks to create a script. I hope you got the answer. Did you mark? All right. Next question is, list the names of different block menus given under block menu. List the names of different block menus given under the blocks menu. I'm writing the answer here on the whiteboard. Okay, so you copy from here. This is answer number 5. Answer number 5 is the names of different blocks under more blocks are under more blocks are okay. First is motion, then we have looks, then we have sound, okay, then we have pen, then we have data, next events, then control, then we have sensing, then operator, and more blocks.
Ma'am, written.
Okay, the names of different blocks, sorry, under blocks. Okay, यहाँ पे आएगा under blocks menu. More blocks नहीं, delete more. Under blocks menu are, okay, just make this change. The names of different blocks under blocks menu are motion, looks, sound, and this and that. Okay.
Control, thinking, equation, and more.
Written. Next question is, what are the various cursor tools? This answer is given on page number 69. Page number 69. Did you open the page? Cursor tools.
Yes, ma'am.
Cursor tools heading is given there. Cursor tools
Yes,
heading is
ma'am.
given. और उसकी second line में आ जाओ. वहाँ पे लिखा है there are 4 different tools. लिखा है ना? There are 4 different tools. तो उसके नीचे लिखा है डुप्लीकेट, डिलीट, ग्रो एंड श्रिंक. जो ग्रीन कलर के हेडिंग्स हैं, मार्क दीज हेडिंग्स. ग्रीन कलर से लिखा है डुप्लीकेट, उसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन भी लिखनी है. ओके. नेक्स्ट ग्रीन हेडिंग इज डिलीट, नेक्स्ट ग्रीन हेडिंग इज ग्रो एंड नेक्स्ट ग्रीन हेडिंग इज श्रिंक. ठीक है. जो सिर्फ ग्रीन कलर से लिखा है वो headings और उनकी explanation has to be written as answers. Okay, did you mark? Did you mark now? Okay, I'm stopping
Yes, ma'am.
this. Yes. Now, this is the exercise which is complete. Now, if you want to ask anything, you can raise your hand. Otherwise, those who are raising hands can lower. Alia Chaudhary, unmute yourself. What happened? Alia Chaudhary, what happened? Yes,
Ma'am,
yes, Alia.
ma'am, what is the answer of ma'am choose multiply choice questions? Ma'am, first answer.
मल्टीप्लाई चॉइस क्या होता है भाई? मल्टीपल चॉइस. मल्टीपल चॉइस
Multiple
में
choice.
फर्स्ट आंसर, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का जो आंसर है दैट इज हेल्प. हेल्प, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन हेल्प. ऑल राइट.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else? Shabana Akhtar, do you have a problem? Why did you raise your hand? Can unmute yourself. Anandika, Harman, everybody is raising hand. What for, darling? Ashvika Gupta also, hand is up. Now, if you have nothing to ask, you can lower your hands. Harmanjot, unmute yourself. What
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
problem? Yes. Yes, tell.
मैम जब आप मैम साइज के क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे थे ना सबसे, तो फिर ना मुझे ज्यादा नाइज आ रहा था तो मुझे समझ नहीं आया कोई भी आंसर.
That when I was asking questions, most of the people were mute. They were mute, no? आपको क्यों नहीं समझ आया फिर?
मैम मेरे भाई की क्लास है, मैम लीव कर सकती हूँ?
Yes, you can leave. All those who have other class और जिनके भाई की या बहन की class है can leave. Otherwise, I'm also going to wind up the session. There are so many hands up. I don't know what for. Entire session was interactive and now you are raising your hands. Gurleen Kaur, unmute yourself and tell what happened. Yes, Gurleen.
Ma'am, multiple choice second one is not done.
Second one is script. It is done. Script is the answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Avreet Kaur. Avreet. Yes, Avreet.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the fourth answer of multiple choice questions?
182 minus 180.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, फिर आप हमें आंसर भेजोगे ना?
अब मैंने क्लास में मार्क करवाया तब भी आपको आंसर भेजूं मैं? आपने मार्क नहीं किए? Okay, I'll share. Okay, I will share the answers. All right. Now I'll wind up the class. I'll wind up the class now. Okay. Bye.
Thank you for teaching us.
Welcome.